Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of 3D printing, where innovation knows no bounds. In this video, we're going to unveil the top 3 3D printers in 2024. So, buckle up and let's explore. Number 5. Creality K1. The Creality K1 is a testament to 3D printing innovation and precision. The Creality K1 is a powerful tool that combines great print quality, versatility, and user-friendly functionality. It is meant to empower makers, creators, and professionals. The Creality K1's wide build volume allows you to unleash your creativity. The K1 gives adequate area for your projects, whether you're prototyping, making practical parts, or unleashing your artistic vision. With the K1's high-resolution capabilities, you can achieve beautiful detail in your prints. Intricate patterns and fine textures are brought to life with accuracy, guaranteeing that your 3D prints exceed the highest standards. The Creality K1 has a sturdy frame construction, which provides stability and longevity during the printing process. This assures consistent and trustworthy outcomes over time. The K1's silent stepper motor drivers provide a quiet and unobtrusive printing experience. The low noise level adds to the convenience of operation, whether you're printing in a business setting or at home. Navigate through your printing settings quickly with the user-friendly touchscreen interface. The K1 simplifies the printing process, making it accessible to both novice and experienced users. Number 4. Anycubic Photon M5S. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a small but capable 3D printer for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals looking for precision and portability. The A1 Mini's tiny size makes it a great solution for individuals with limited space. This feature-rich printer is engineered to produce exceptional print quality while preserving user-friendly operation. Despite its small size, it does not sacrifice performance, allowing you to enjoy high-quality 3D printing without losing space. With the A1 Mini's high-resolution printing capabilities, you can experience intricate details and smooth surfaces. This printer delivers precision with every layer, whether you're generating prototypes, detailed models, or practical parts. The A1 Mini's intuitive user interface streamlines the 3D printing process. Even inexperienced users can manage the printer with ease thanks to user-friendly controls and a simple setup. The A1 Mini is built to last, with a strong structure that improves stability during the printing process. This assures consistent and dependable results print after print. The A1 Mini supports a variety of filament materials, allowing you to experiment with different possibilities for your projects. Adapt the printer to your unique printing demands, from regular PLA to flexible TPU. Number 3. Sovol SV07. The Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast is an example of low-cost, high-performance 3D printing technology. This 3D printer, designed for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts, delivers remarkable precision, adaptability, and ease of use. Unleash your imagination with a big printing volume that allows you to bring your larger-than-life ideas to life. The Ender 3 V3 Southeast has plenty of area for printing a variety of projects. The V-slot profile and sturdy frame structure improve stability and longevity. Say goodbye to noisy 3D printing sessions. The Ender 3 V3 Southeast features silent stepper motor drivers, which reduce noise levels and provide a quieter printing experience without sacrificing performance. You'll never have to worry about interrupted prints due to power failures again. The resume printing function allows the printer to pick up where it left off, assuring the successful completion of your creations. The flexible and removable build surface makes it simple to remove finished prints. This innovation not only makes print removal easier, but it also makes bed leveling and maintenance easier. The Ender 3 V3 Southeast is easy to assemble, making it a good choice for individuals new to 3D printing. Follow the step-by-step instructions, and you'll be printing your creations in no time. The upgraded Hotend and Bowden extruder provide improved extrusion and filament control, resulting in smoother and more consistent prints. The user-friendly touchscreen interface provides intuitive control over the printer settings, making it easy to navigate through options and customize your printing experience. The Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast is a 3D printing standout, providing fans and professionals alike with an unrivaled combination of precision, dependability, and affordability. With this feature-rich 3D printer, you can dive into the world of boundless imagination. The Ender 3 V3 Southeast has a carborundum glass bed, which is noted for its remarkable adhesive properties and quick heating capabilities. Say goodbye to deformed prints and hello to a consistent, high-quality printing surface. The direct drive extruder provides improved filament management and a wider variety of material compatibility. This improvement allows for more precise and reliable extrusion, especially when dealing with flexible filaments. The TMC 2000 208 silent stepper motors provide a tranquil printing environment. These drivers greatly minimize noise during operation, making the Ender 3 V3 Southeast a good choice for home and office environments. The included BL Touch auto bed leveling sensor ensures perfect initial layers every time. This function guarantees that the print bed is exactly leveled, removing the need for human adjustments and increasing print success rates. Power outages are no longer an issue. In the event of an unexpected stoppage, the Ender 3 V3 Southeast may resume printing from the last recorded position, saving both time and filament. Keep your workplace organized with the inbuilt toolbox, which neatly stores important tools and accessories needed for maintenance and adjustments. This thoughtful design element contributes to the printer's user-friendliness. The dual cooling fans contribute to better print quality by efficiently dissipating heat from the hot end and ensuring stable temperatures during extended printing sessions. Firmware updates keep you up to date with the latest features and improvements. The Ender 3 V3 Southeast's open-source nature allows users to benefit from continual community-driven upgrades. Join a thriving and supportive Ender 3 user community. Access forums, tutorials, and a multitude of shared experiences to optimize your printing workflow and troubleshoot any issues that arise. Number 2. Bamboo Lab One Mini. Anycubic's newest resin 3D printer offers astonishing resolution, rapid speed, and auto bed leveling, making it a delight to us. Yes, there are 11,530 pixels on the x-axis. Anycubic claims it is 3 times faster than standard printers, with an average print speed of 105 mm/hour. The machine printed a 3.5-inch tall figure in about an hour during testing. It's the first self-leveling resin printer we've seen, and it calculates its own level using a mix of sensors and hidden springs. As anyone who has ever set up a resin printer with an Allen key and a sheet of paper knows, this is a really wonderful feature. To complement this printer, Anycubic has created a new, ultra-thin, high-speed resin. Even if you stick to conventional resin, the special release film attached to the bottom of the vat will result in amazingly quick prints. Because the film is fragile, it will not survive as long as standard FEP, lasting only about 30,000 layers. To put that in context, my rocket test print has 1742 layers, so 6 rounds of testing might have used up a third of the film's usefulness. According to Anycubic, the new release film will cost $42 and will arrive pre-mounted on an easy-to-install frame. You could go back to using less expensive films, but you have to print at a slower, less stressful speed. The Photon M5S is a mid-sized resin printer in Anycubic's standard black and gold color palette. The hood is prism-shaped, and the base features clear lines. It has a lovely metal vat and multiple rails on those for smooth travel, and it feels durable and solid. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast. The Sovel SV07 is a cutting-edge 3D printer that combines precision engineering with user-friendly features to provide amazing printing experiences. This printer, developed for both enthusiasts and professionals, is intended to push the frontiers of creativity with its powerful capabilities. The Sovel SV07 has a high build volume, which allows for the creation of huge, complicated 3D prints. The SV07's broad build surface accommodates to different printing demands, whether you're prototyping, making functional parts, or indulging in artistic endeavors. The direct drive extrusion technology provides greater filament control and improved print quality. This design allows for more precise and consistent filament feed, making it appropriate for a wide range of filament types, including flexible materials. Say goodbye to manual bed leveling issues. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best 3D printers of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.